It's a food, Nathan. Wow, Nathan is very good. You know how to purchase food. Be careful, agoy. Slowly, Mila, agoy. Oh. Sige, dyan lang kayo. Kukuha ko ng ano. You sit there, Mila. Doon na lang kayo, te. Be careful. Okay na. No more na. Sige, later naman. Lagay natin dito. Put here in the... Here lang only. You sit down na, Mila. Sit down. Mommy will get something. No, put it back. Put it back. Okay, sige. Hanap tayo ng tubig. Ketchup, mustards, water. Sun water. Ito drinking water.
Wala pa to.
Ito ata dito eh.
May bayad yung...
Hindi ko alam kung may bayad ba yung iba na drinking water.
May kwan dyan, may tray.
Wala, hawakan na lang natin niya. Sige, ako yung dalawa. Isa pa. Hingi na lang ako ng tissue din o ano.